Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a haul to share with you today, and it's coming from our friend Abby. I don't know why I'm singing, but here it is, and it's got my name on it. She's got this gorgeous washi, so let me just cover that up. She's got some Halloween, spooky Halloween night washi right here. And then she's got some down here with this gorgeous spider trims right here. It says Toil and Trouble. Isn't that beautiful? Well, I don't know if Halloween could be beautiful, I guess. I don't know. And then she's got some on this side right here. Look at the spiders. And she's got this like black and printed one right there. Very pretty, guys. So this is Abby's digital kit. Not digital kit, her paper collection that she had created. This is her first paper collection. Oh my goodness. Look at this bad boy. Oh my god. Oh, and there's a card. Yes. I got a card. Let's see what she put in here. Guys, go support her. She's an amazing creator, artist, friend, crafter. Oh, look at how beautiful with the purple. Didn't I tell you purple's beautiful? Look at these colors right here. Don't look at my ugly manicure, but gorgeous. If you've got it, haunt it. Yes, girl. Hi, Eileen. Thank you so much for your support. It means so much to me. I can't wait to see what you create with it. Love you so much. Love, Abby. Happy Halloween to my favorite free spirits. Thank you, Abby. This is beautiful, girl. So everything in this in this paper collection, she created. Oh, look at her washi. She got some Mickey washi. Mickey Halloween. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I want that washi. Oh my goodness. So amazing. This is a Disney washi tape. So let me just take this off. That way I can save ya. Why not? And stick it right here in front of me. Gorgeous. And it's purple, guys. Oh, to die. So the thing with this, her kit, it's available digital, which I probably will end up purchasing later. But she also had some printed paper, and it's 8.5 by 11. Oh, I love it's edge to edge, guys. Love. And we've got some ephemeras. Oh my goodness, the cut aparts. Oh, I'm so excited. I think these are stickers, but I'll get to it. So let's see. These are the cut aparts. So beautiful. I'm gonna move it to the side so we can focus. It says social distancing. Look at the ghost. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. Okay, we got some time. This one says trick or treat in the bucket. Look at that face. So cute. Abby, thank you so much. Newt's Bubble Tea. OMG. I can't wait. This one is ice cream. That's so cute. Hocus Pocus. There's that lovely face again. Gorgeous. Halloween shopping. Anybody? So cute. Float Away With Me. This was my favorite. This was my favorite in her thing because of the Float Away With Me. So stinking cute. And then she has Newt Bubble Tea. Second favorite. I love bubble tea. So cute. And then she has these little 2x, what are these? What size is this? 3x5s. They're like 3x5. Says Happy Halloween. Look at the little family. Hello, gorgeous. So cute. I love their faces. Oh my god. And the color is just so perfect. This one says party time. So beautiful, Abby. So I wonder, I don't think these are stickers. I might be mistaken. Yeah, these are not stickers. These are, they're just, I think this was, I don't know. Never mind, don't let me guess. But this is an extra. Guys, you'll love, love, love this kit. I already love this kit. It's so cute. Abby, I will be buying the digital, FYI. I hope it's still available. But look at the ghosties. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Let me get a dish. I have to get a mermaid dish. Look at our Mr. Ghost and then our little girly ghost. Oops, can't see anything with my big fat fingers in the way. Girly Ghost and the little candy bucket. There's the little Mrs. Skeleton. And here's the Mr. Skeleton. They're so cute. I love the colors. Look at this one. There's our little pumpkin families. So cute, guys. We haven't even got to the papers yet. There's the little pumpkin and the ice cream. Oh my gosh, guys. There's eyeballs and bugs, spiders, and I don't know what the other stuff is on the bottom, but not gonna ask any questions. Whoops. There's the little bubble tea drinks. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. I love it. Candy corn. There's a little lollipop. And a little, I don't know, shave ice maybe? Maybe cotton candy. And then cacti. Oh, you get another one. You get another set of the girl and the boys. Uh-oh. So cute. And you got the ghosties again. Oh, these are a little bigger. Oh, nice. And I got a bat. Oh my gosh, there's the ice cream again. Ice cream. And more cactus or succulents. More ice cream. Oh yes, another one. Gourd. You get a lot, guys. Look at that face right there. There's a lot in this. And then you have the two storefronts. There's the Spell Company and Scream. Yes, girl, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then you get all of this paper. Anyway, there's a bunch of the words, social distancing. Oh, I love this. These are great, Abby. Oh my gosh. I'm not the best show and teller. I've told you this before. Look at that. You got the pumpkins with the candies in it and all the little treats. And you got the bubble teas. Yes. And you have the ghosties. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I love the storefronts. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. And then you have it on grid. That is so cool. Did I get 2 grids? Ah, I love it. And then you get the ice cream. Oh my gosh. And the cacti. And then you get this one. More treats, but you got balloons with it. Oh, those are pretty. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous with the bats. Oh, there's 2 colors. So there's a pink background. It's a slight difference in the size. And then you have the orange background. And then you have just the pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's another one. The storefronts. That's gorgeous. And another ghosties. Oh no, I think I ordered extras of some of the sheets. Yeah. And then here's the bubble teas again. I think I did. Because the kit comes with some papers, and then I ordered extras of the ones single sheets. So awesome kit, guys. Go get it. It's very affordable. And I believe she said she printed this with laser And look at all the papers you get. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I love every one of them, and I will be getting the digital. I just got to, you hear? You got to. So go show her some love, guys. Let her know you've seen her kit, and it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So check it out. Gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Bye.